Hello and welcome. Today's recipe is a very simple stir-fried vegetables Chinese style. For this, I have 150 grams of bok choy stems that I'm cutting into strips. As for the leaves, you can reserve them for soup. Next, I have 100 grams of enoki mushrooms, the ends of which I am discarding. I am then cutting the remaining mushrooms into half. Let's keep these mushrooms aside. A medium-sized carrot comes next. Cut the carrot into 3 pieces and then cut each piece into finger shapes. Cut as if you're making carrot fries. Put these carrot chips aside as well. There you have it, the 3 different vegetables to be stir-fried: enoki mushrooms, bok choy stems, and carrots. The aromatics come next. I have 5 cloves of garlic that I'm going to bruise and then chop up. The garlic will give fragrance and flavor to the dish. Two red bird's eye chilies chopped. And now for the stir-fry sauce. 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Vegetarians can use vegetarian oyster sauce. Half a teaspoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon corn flour, and all mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. Add the garlic to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok that's on medium heat. Saute the garlic until it turns fragrant. Add the red bird's eye chilies when the garlic begins to turn brown and is fragrant. Fry for about a minute. You add the carrots after that and stir fry the same. You can add the bok choy stems after the carrot fingers have been frying for about 2 minutes. Increase the flame once the bok choy stems are in. Then stir as often as possible to prevent the vegetables from sticking to the bottom of the wok. Add the enoki mushrooms after about 1.5 minutes of stir frying. You then add the stir-fry sauce after about 1 minute or so. Then stir to combine. Turn the stove off after 1 minute. Stir-fried vegetables Chinese style. This is a quick, easy and tasty side dish to complement your meal. Enjoy! Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.